Good morning, teachers. I just wanted to show you how you guys can access our morning news without us having to send you the link every day, because eventually, hopefully, we'll be moving that direction. So I'm just going to start here from the link that Amy sent out from Monday News Link. So I'm going to click on that. And that's going to take us to the actual video itself. So instead of doing that every day, go ahead and click subscribe to our channel. And then let's go here to the Lakeside News page. And all we're going to do is copy and paste the link for our channel. And we're going to add it to our startup bar. So go to your settings in the upper right hand corner, the three little dots, and click on settings. And then we want to, upon startup, open a specific page or set of pages. So I'm going to click add a new page, because when I open my browser, I want the YouTube page to automatically be there in the morning. So I'm going to Control V or paste that URL. Click add. And now every morning when I get in and I log in to my computer and open my browser, as long as it's logged into my account, Taylor, it should be there. So now let's test it out. I'm going to exit everything, exit that, and I'm going to open Google Chrome, and let's see if it works here. Awesome. So as you can see, I've done that for a couple of things. This is where I bookmark all my stuff called Symbaloo. My Google Drive opens automatically. I have Shape open automatically, Aries, and now our Lakeside morning news. And as you can see right here, the first video is going to be the one that we're going to watch for the day. So that's it. I will probably also add on there Hero, and you'll go through the same steps in terms of adding Hero. You just go to settings. Let me show you right now. So copy the URL for Hero login page, go to settings, scroll down on startup. We want to add a new page, Control V, add, and now also every morning when I log in, Hero will show up as well, so I can make sure I'm giving kids their Roarbucks for the day. So that's it. Thank you.